Exercise 7b, coordinate geometry. We'll continue with question number 6. Here we have to find the ratio where the point divide the joint A and B. So there is a line which join A and B. Okay, minus 3 comma minus 1, we can take it as x1 y1. Then b minus 8 comma 9, we can take it as x2 y2. So they say that it is divided in some ratio, which if we take according to section formula, they write it m1 and m2. So it is divided at this point here, minus 6 comma a. That means we can take this as x and y. Now what to do? We have to find the ratio and also w of a. So if we use this one, now we have three alphabet, M1, M2, M and A. So it will be difficult for us to solve. In order to make the matter easier, we can reduce the number of alphabet by putting with some alphabet and then we make 1 to be 1. Okay, so that we have only 2 alphabet. It will easy for us to solve. So clearly we have the point which divide the line into 2 parts. Then we also have the coordinate. That means we can use the section formula because we do have the coordinate. Then that ratio we can take it as k is to 1. So here x1 is minus 3, y1 minus 1, x2 minus 8, then y2 is 9, m1 we can take it as k, m2 we can take it as 1. So we replace it in the section formula. So we will have k into minus 8, 1 into minus 3, k plus 1. Then for y also same, we have k into 9. Okay, we use from here k into 9 plus 1 into minus 1 by k plus 1. This alphabet side we have 2 alphabet, 1a, 1k. This side we have only k. So let us solve this side first. K into minus 8 minus 8k plus 2 minus minus. So here we can, since we have equal, we can cross multiply. So minus 6 into k minus 6k minus 6 into 1 minus 6. K and k bring one side. Those who don't have k one side. This is minus, bring the side plus. This is minus, bring that side plus. 8 minus 6 will be 2k. 6 minus 3, 3. So the value of k is 3 by 2. Then now we have to find a as well. So k we can replace from the value which we get from here. That is 3 by 2. So it will become 9 into 3 by 2 minus 1 by 1. Then here also in place of k, there. Once we have ratio with plus minus, what we do? We find LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. 9 is near here, so we can multiply only 3. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 into 27, 27. 1 divide 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Then here 1 divide 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 into 3. So 2, 2 both denominator we can cancel. 27 minus 2, 25. 3 plus 2, 5. 25 divided by 5, we get 5. So the value of a is 5. And the ratio in place of k we can write 3 by 2. So then this 2 we can multiply this side. 2 into 1, 2. So value of a is 5. The required ratio will be 3 is to 2. Then again number 2. There also we have same point A and point B. Okay, they are divided at some point P, m, 6. Then we also have to find the ratio and the value for m. Same way, since we have m, then we can take the ratio as k is to 1, so that we have only 2 alphabet to solve. So the same way we write, let k is to 1 be the ratio. Then we can apply section formula. So x1 here is minus 1, y1 3, x2 2, y2 8. In place of m1 we can put k, in place of m2 we can get 1. Then x we already have equal to that of p. It will be equal to, x will be m, then y will be 6. So we replace it in section formula. Okay, so we have k into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Then down it will be k plus 1. Then again we have k into 8 for y, 1 into 3 by k plus 1. Then here we have only one alphabet. This side we have 2, m and k. So let us solve first from the side which have only one alphabet. Then here we have equal with ratio. So we can cross multiply 6 into k, 6k, 6 into 1. Then k and k we can take one side, plus take the side become minus, plus take the side become minus. So k will be again 3 by 2. Now we get k from here. We can replace it the other side because same question. Okay. So in place of k we can put 3 by 2. But here since we have into 2 and 2 we can cancel. So it will be 3 minus 1, 2. But down we cannot cancel. They have fraction. We can take LCM. So 2 and 1 will be 2. 3 remains same. 1 divide 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. It will be 5 by 2. This is divide. If I convert it to multiply, it will come upside down. So 2 into 2, 4. So we get value of m equal 4 by 5. And the ratio will be 3 into 2. So this 2 we cross multiply this side. We get 3 is to 2. Value of m is 4 by 5. The required ratio is 3 is to 2. Then move on to the next. Here are similar. We have to find again the ratio in which we have line A and B. They are divided at a point 2 is to y. So this one x1, y1, x2, y2. Then here we have x and y. We have to find the ratio and value of y. So again we take the ratio to be k is to 1. Again we'll apply now in section formula. Those we have. So here we have k into 3, 1 into minus 2 by k plus 1. Then that of y we have k into 7 plus 2 into 1 divided by k plus 1. Then this side we have 2 alphabet. This side x we already know equal 2. We have only 1. So we can cross multiply to get first k. 2 into k, 2 into 1. Then k and k we can bring with side. Plus become minus. This is minus. Take the side become plus. So k here we get equal to 4. Now we get k equal 4. We can replace it the other side. So it will become 4 into 7 plus 2 by 4 plus 1. 4, 7, 28 plus 2, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So the value of y is 6. And the required ratio because we have direct k. So it will remain 4 is to 1. Then next number 8. We have again to find the ratio. There are a line which join a point this one and this one. It's divided by x-axis. So when we say x-axis, y-axis. So remember if say y-axis, there is no x, that mean. So that means x will become 0. Then y will have some value. So that means the point where these two are divided, it will be 0, y as to say. Okay. Why you can write that? Because they say it is on y-axis. So we can take the ratio k is to 1 be the ratio where p0, y, which is on y-axis, divide the given points into 2 parts. Okay, those. So this one x1, y1, x2, y2. Then that p will give us x and y. Then m1k, m2. So we use section formula again. For x will be 0. Then we have equal 3 into k plus y 1 into minus 2 for x. Then for y equal y, k into 7 by into 1 by minus 3, k is to 1. This side again we have 2 alphabet, this side we have only 1. So let's solve this one. X we already know 0 because it is on y-axis. So we cross multiply, everything becomes 0. This is minus, take this side become plus. So k is 2 by 3. A number which present with k should come down always. Then 2 by 3, we can replace it the other side to get y. Then we replace it here. So 7, 2, we have fraction, we find LCM. 3 and 1, 3. 3 divide 3, 1. 1 into 14, 14. 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then down also 3 1 3, 3 divide 3 1, 1 into 2 2, 1 divide 3 3. Okay, so we have above minus 5 by 3, 3 3 we can cancel, so 5 by 5 we divide, we get 1. So the ratio will be k is to 1 in place of k 2 is to 3. This 3 we multiply this side, we get 2 is to 3. Then the point on y-axis, so 0 in place of y we put 1. So this is the required point which divide a and b in the ratio 2 is to 3.